Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to promote your Etsy store in 2023. So, as an Etsy seller, getting your store noticed and driving traffic to your listing is essential for your success. So, today we are going to explore or we will going to explore various strategies and tips to effectively promote your Etsy store and increase your sales. So, make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into it and let's get
Before we
started.
start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply you'll have to go and open your Etsy.com. Simply go and open your Etsy shop. So if you have an account or if you have a shop, make sure to go and log into it. If you don't, you'll have to go and create a shop or an account for yourself, then go and create a shop for yourself. Of course, I already made a video on how to create an Etsy shop in this channel, so make sure to go and check us out if you want or if you need to know how to create a shop. So after that, let's start by optimizing your Etsy shop. So to make it appealing to potential customers, make sure to use some high quality images and write compelling product descriptions. An example, we go to listing here. So make sure for your listing to have a high quality images and every listing should have a compiling product description and choose relevant tags and keywords to improve your shop visibility in the search results. After that, of course, leveraging the social media is a great way. So utilizing the power of social media platforms to improve your Etsy store. You can simply create an account on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and many other options. And regularly, of course, share engaging content related to your products. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to collaborate with influencers on those social medias. So partner with influencers or even bloggers if you want in your niche who have a significant following. Influencers can help you showcase your products to a broader audience and build your brand credibility. You can even, as an example, run some promotional and discounts. So offer special promotions, discounts, or limited time offers to entice the potential customers to make purchases. Promotions can create a sense of emergency and encourage more sales. As an example, you'll be able even to participate in some craft fairs and events, as an example. So look for local craft fairs, pop-out shops, or events where you can showcase your products in person. These events can help you connect with customers directly and build in personal relationships. Other than that, of course, you can collaborate even with other Etsy sellers. So you can join forces with other Etsy sellers to cross promote each other's products. This collaboration can help you tap into each other's audience and expand your reach. You can even, an example, this will help a lot, offer some free shipping. So consider offering free shipping on like selected items or orders above a certain threshold. Like maybe if they pass like the $50, they will be offered free shipping or something like that. So just keep that in mind because free shipping can be a powerful incentive for customers to make purchases. Other than that, of course, make sure to create for yourself some engaging contents because producing like some engaging content that showcase your products and tells your brand story. This content can include like product photos, behind the scenes videos, and even customers' testimonials and more. You can even utilize the Etsy ads. Take advantage of the Etsy advertising platforms to promote your listing within the Etsy marketplace. Etsy ads can help you increase visibility and drive more traffic to your store. As you can see, you can go to the Flex panel on your store or once you are in Shop Manager. And if you go here to marketing, as you can see, you'll find this Etsy ads and click on it. And of course, my shop is not active, so click on it in here. You'll have to simply follow some steps to utilize the Etsy ads and use it. Other than that, of course, you'll be able even to collaborate with Etsy teams. So join the relevant Etsy teams and actively participate in the discussions and activities. Being part of Etsy teams can provide support, networking opportunities, and valuable advice from like fellow sellers. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to utilize the email marketing, which is a crucial step because collects the email addresses from customers and visitors to your Etsy store And you can use the email marketing to send out newsletter, products updates, and exclusive offers to keep customers engaged. You can even, as an example, which is crucial also, optimize for SAO. So continuously optimize your Etsy listing and shop for search engines optimization, which is the SEO, search engine or optimization. And because well optimized listing can rank higher in its search results and attract more organic traffic. After all of that, of course, or when you do all of that, make sure to regularly review your shop analytics to gain insights into your customer behavior, popular products, and effectiveness of your promotional efforts. You can use this data to refine your strategies, and you'll find all the data that you want in the dashboard. So if you go here to the dashboard as an example, you'll be able to see a lot of data. If that's not enough, you can always go to stats here and you'll be able to see all the things that you did. Are they working? Are they not? Why? And you'll be able to optimize your strategies depending on whatever works, whatever did not work. And of course, lastly, you will have to stay consistent with your promotional efforts and be open to trying new strategies because Etsy Marketplace is dynamic and staying adapted is a key to long-term success. So as an example, if you go to this list panel, you'll find a lot of options that you can see. So we have dashboards here, we have listings. Here you'll be able to simply add your listings. So make sure to add many as possible. So you will attract customers to find various options that they can choose from. Here in messages, you'll find just the messages that sent by your customers or by people who already buy something or something like that. Here you'll find your order and shipping. If you don't know, I'm just going or giving you a tour. The star seller here, try to apply for the star seller and make sure if you're eligible yet for it, because this will give you a lot of credibility and will alone optimize your shop on its own, especially if you have the star seller on Etsy. So make sure to apply for it, especially if you are eligible for it. So make sure to meet the so make sure that you meet the criteria here, and that's gonna be it. Of course, here the stats, as we said before, financials. Here you'll be able to give payments option, etc. Here in marketing, as we said, it's the ads. You'll be able to to give some marketing to your shop, even social media sales and discounts. So you can add discounts, as we said before. Integration, you'll be able to integrate other things in your Etsy shop. And here in community help and settings, that's going to be basic. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've completed this full tutorial on how to promote your Etsy store in 2023. By implementing these strategies and consistently, working to build your brand and customer base, so you're on your way to achieving like Etsy success. So remember that promoting your store is an ongoing process, so continue to explore new opportunities and engage with customers to foster growth. Best of luck with your Etsy journey, and I will see you in the next video.